6 people are missing and 2 dead bodies been recovered after the rescue operation that started at 4 p.m. on Wednesday. And this is the right spot in Dharamshala at Khaniara village where you see the visuals. Now the water level is also decreased, and this is a Lunta village which connects to Manuni, which is 5 kilometers away by the foot road. And after the landslide and heavy rains, the road has been washed away. So when you need to go to the spot Manuni where the flash flood happened and washed away the infrastructure, and 6 people went missing and 2 dead bodies are recovered. So that is 5 kilometers away from here. And now the NDRF teams from Nupur area has reached the spot to rescue, to continue the rescue operation. And also today the rescue operation started at 8 a.m. and yesterday it continued till 1 a.m., 1:30 a.m. Till late night. And now you see the rescue operation has been started. Disaster Management Authority has issued an advisory for the people to not go nearby this rivers and nalas as the water level is high, and anytime if a cloudburst or any flash flood comes, so it will definitely will affect the area and people. And also you see the family of the deceased will be compensated with 4 lakh, and now that's what administration has also informed. And now the orange alert been issued by the weather department for today, and from tomorrow 27th of June yellow alert is being marked. But this incident which took place yesterday at 3 p.m. has somehow scared the people. The disaster which people witness is somehow is what people afraid of, because monsoon has just started, but this sort of disaster and incident is what people are more concerned about. And we are at Lunta village, and Manuni is 5 kilometers away from here where the flash flood happened, and 6 people went missing, 2 dead bodies been rescued. So the rescue operation in the jungle, because more than 30 to 40 people were seen running away to the jungle area, so the rescue operation for them, the search operation is also continued, and it's been started in the morning. And now administration is all on alert mode, and several advisories after the incident being issued. With video journalist Girish, this is Aman Bhardwaj for India Today from Khaniara, Dharamshala.